Are you tired of being stuck with that basic Samsung keyboard every time you switch to your Island work profile? Most people think you are forced to use the default, but today I am showing you the secret hack to unlock any keyboard of your choice. First, fire up your Island app and look at the top categories. You'll see Discovery, Mainland, and Island. Make sure you select the Island tab specifically. Now, find any app that uses a keyboard. WhatsApp is perfect for this, so just tap it to highlight the app and then hit that little launch arrow on the far right side. Once the app opens, tap inside a chat like you are going to type so the keyboard pops up. You will notice it is still that standard Samsung keyboard, but here is where the magic happens. Tap that little settings gear icon right on the keyboard itself. Now, pay close attention because this is the trick everyone misses. Look at the top left of your screen and hit that back arrow. Just like that, the hidden default keyboard menu appears right inside your work profile. Now you can finally ditch the stock version and select your favorite. I am switching over to Microsoft SwiftKey for that better typing experience. It is that easy to fully customize your workspace and work faster. If this hidden trick just saved your typing life, hit that like button and ring the notification bell right now for more Android secrets.